Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to track spending in Mint, a super handy tool that can help you take control of your finances without the hassle. If you're like me, you sometimes wonder where all your money disappears to each month. Well, Mint is here to solve that mystery. First off, what's Mint? It's a free app and website from Intuit that automatically tracks your spending, budgets, and even gives you insights into your financial habits. It's user-friendly and secure, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. To get started, head over to the Mint website or download the app from your phone's app store. Once you're there, sign up with your email and create a password. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Next, link your bank accounts. Mint will ask for permission to connect to your checking, savings, or credit card accounts. This is safe, it's all encrypted, and it allows Mint to pull in your transactions automatically. Just follow the prompts to add your financial institutions. It usually takes a minute or two. Now, the fun part. Setting up your budgets. Mint lets you categorize your spending, like groceries, entertainment, or dining out. Go to the budget section and set monthly limits for each category based on your goals. For example, if you want to cap your eating out at $200 a month, just input that and Mint will track it for you. As you go about your day, Mint will monitor your transactions in real time. You'll get notifications if you're approaching or exceeding your budgets. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. Don't forget to review your dashboard regularly. It shows colorful charts and graphs that break down where your money is going. Finally, make adjustments as needed. If you notice you're overspending in one area, Mint's reports can help you tweak your habits. Over time, this will lead to better financial decisions and more savings. There you have it. Tracking your spending in Mint is straightforward and empowering. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.